Today, we are going to learn 15 sea animals' names in English. Let's start learning. Shark. This is a shark. It is big and dangerous. Whale. This is a whale. It is the largest animal in the sea. Dolphin. This is a dolphin. It is smart and friendly. Octopus. This is an octopus. It has 8 arms. Jellyfish. This is a jellyfish. It is soft and can sting. Crab. This is a crab. It walks sideways. Seahorse. This is a seahorse. It looks like a small horse. Starfish. This is a starfish. It looks like a star. Squid. This is a squid. It can swim very fast. Sea turtle. This is a sea turtle. It has a hard shell. Clownfish. This is a clownfish. It is small and colorful. Stingray. This is a stingray. It has a flat body. Eel. This is an eel. It looks like a snake. Seal. This is a seal. It loves swimming in cold water. Blue whale. This is the blue whale. It is the biggest animal on Earth.